Did you know your brain cannot feel pain? That's right. The very organ that processes every ache in your body has absolutely no pain receptors of its own. In fact, surgeons can perform brain surgery on a fully awake patient, and that patient feels nothing. This is called awake craniotomy. Doctors actually talk to the patient while operating to make sure they don't damage the wrong area. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Your brain uses about 20% of all the energy your body produces. Even while you sleep, it never truly turns off. Right now, billions of neurons are firing inside your skull just to help you understand these words. And speaking of neurons, you have around 86 billion of them. If you lined them all up end to end, they would stretch nearly 600 miles. That's longer than the entire state of California. Now, your heart beats about 100,000 times every single day. That's 35 million beats per year. In a lifetime, over 2.5 billion beats, without ever taking a break. No vacation, no pause, just constant silent work. Your stomach produces a new lining every 3 to 4 days because its own acid is strong enough to dissolve metal. That same acid would burn right through your skin if it ever escaped. Your body figured out how to contain it automatically. And your bones, they're not dead material. They're alive, constantly breaking down and rebuilding themselves.
Every 10 years, your entire skeleton is essentially replaced, bone by bone. You are not the same person you were a decade ago, literally. Your body is quite literally a machine that repairs itself while you sleep. So the next time you feel completely ordinary, remember, there are 37 trillion cells inside you, working together right now just to keep you alive. If you found that mind-blowing, follow for more facts you never learned in school.